am Priyanshu and currently we are pursuing PGDM in Marketing from Pune Institute of Business Management. We are thrilled to share that we have been placed with Transsion Holding as an executive trainee. Our journey at PIBM has been truly transformative. Our training at PIBM was completely aligned with our marketing profile. We gained hands-on exposure on marketing management, brand management, integrated marketing communication, sales and distribution, market research, and many more. Through live projects, workshops, and case studies, we learned to deliver real-time results and also to build strategies and also integrated campaigns.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritobad Goswami. From the very first day, our college has nurtured us with not only academic excellence but also with real-world exposure, starting from live projects to our summer and winter internship programs, to the corporate sessions and also to the guest lectures. PIBM has provided us with the strength and courage to deliver in any real-world scenarios, and along with that, it has also strengthened our morale and boosted our confidence in terms of giving interviews and facing the professional world.
Because of this live training and project exposure, we were able to crack Transsion Holding interview confidently.